Hello everyone, welcome to Study Time. In this video, we are going to see Class 5 EVS Chapter 3 from Tasting to Digesting worksheet with solutions. First, go through this chapter in your textbook, then it will be very easy for you to understand and answer all these questions from this worksheet. Match these foods with their taste. Food and taste are given, you have to match correctly. Lemon, Karela, laddu, chips, salty, sour, bitter, sweet. Next, lemon you have to match it with sour. Bitter gourd, bitter. Laddu is sweet. And chips you have to match it with salt. Next, take the food items that taste salty. The answer is cooked vegetables. Taste sweet, agree. Taste sour is tamarind. Taste bitter is bitter gourd. Fill in the blanks with appropriate words. Here few words are given and few questions are asked. You have to fill the blanks with correct words. First question, we should eat food slowly and dash it well. Chew it well. Second question, one should be given a dash and dash solution when one has loose motion and vomiting. The answer is salt and sugar. A dash drip is given to a patient for instant energy. Glucose drip. Fourth question, Dr. Dash found that food is digested in the stomach by an acidic juice. Here you have to write Baymont. Fifth question, the food that is needed for proper growth and development of a child is called proper food. Sixth question, the temperature of our stomach is about 30 degrees Celsius. Seventh, our dash changes our mood. Hunger changes our mood. Last question, glucose gives dash to our body immediately. It gives energy to our body immediately. Answer these questions. First question, why was Neetu given glucose drip? Neetu's body had become very weak and it was not keeping any food or water. Doctor gave her the glucose drip so that she can gain some strength quickly even without eating. Second question, Neetu's teacher used to tell the girls to have glucose while playing hockey. Why do you think she did this? Glucose provides instant energy and a lot of energy is exhausted while playing hockey. Therefore, Neetu's teacher used to tell girls to have glucose while playing hockey. Have you tasted glucose? How does it taste? So, you can write yes or no. Usually taste sweet. What do you understand by proper food? Proper food means a nutritious food in sufficient amount as per the need of a person. Next question, why can you not taste food properly when you have cold? Our sense of smell and taste are interlinked. During cold, our nose is blocked and we do not get aroma of food. Therefore, we cannot taste food properly when we have cold. Next question, if you were to say that digestion begins in the mouth, how would you explain this? Right. In mouth, our food is mixed with a fluid called saliva. Saliva moistens, softens our food and breaks carbohydrates. Therefore, digestion of food begins in the mouth. Classify each food given below. So, you have to classify the given foods like growth and repair, which gives energy, which gives health. Butter, cabbage, fish are responsible for growth and repair. Which gives us energy are apple, chocolate, bread. Fish, egg, beans are related to health. Next, label the parts of the digestive system. Here They have simply marked the part. You have to name it, label it. First one is mouth. Next, that passage, that pipe is esophagus. Next, this brown colored is liver. Next, this bag is stomach. Large intestine. So, this pipe-like structure is large intestine. Next, inside large intestine, you will be having small intestine. Next, this part is rectum. These are the parts of the digestive system, which is very basic. You have to know thoroughly these parts. This is a simple chapter. I hope this video is useful and understanding. If you want to write down a textbook or notebook, just pause the video and write down the question and answers. Hope this video is useful and understanding. Thanks for watching.